This is the complete guide to learn Python within 1 year as a beginner. So bring out your pen and paper and start taking some notes. Alright, so on the first month we are going to be just focusing on the basics. First, familiarize yourself with the concepts of computer science and then familiarize yourself with the basics of the programming language you want to learn. And the best way to do this is by watching YouTube videos. From months 2 to 4, you're going to be focusing on building logic and using some basic modules. This is also the part where I would recommend you do a course on Udemy or Skillshare. This is also the point where you should start building your own projects. Now from months 5 to 8, you're going to just focus on building projects. You should also start doing coding challenges on websites such as HackerRank and LeetCode. The end goal here is to be able to make complex programs. By complex, I don't mean build the next Spotify or Facebook, but just build a simple tic-tac-toe game. Now months 9 and 10 is where you decide which framework of Python to use and go all in on it. Find out which field you want to be going into. You can also check out my video on it. But mainly you just need to explore new topics till you find the right one. In months 11 and 12, you will learn the topic in great detail. This most probably will take more than 2 months, so feel free to take your time. Key to learning Python in 1 year is consistency. Just show up every day and work. Everyone has different learning speeds, so don't be discouraged if one of these steps takes more than it's supposed to. If you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.